Some dog costumes aren't cute. They're nightmare fuel. Here are the top 4 creepiest, and the last one will haunt you. Hit like and follow, or that scratching at your door tonight won't be the wind. Number 4. Psycho Chucky. Tiny knives, big nightmares. Number 3. The Nun. Demon dog says you're going to confession. Number 2. The Skinwalker. Less pet, more legend. And number 1. The Ambulance. Sirens of doom, but it's your dog leading the way. Which one creeped you out most? Comment below, if you dare.